light mode on your My Jewelry app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on theme. When just click on it, it's going to take you to next zip here. Then just click on light here. Then it's going to take you to next zip here. Then here can you select light mode. I'm going to click here on this. You just click here on play. So then here automatically it's going to change video here to the light mode here on your My Jewelry app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.